Morning fellas, fellarettes. Here in the clock room we've just got the new Tessa clock up on the wall now. Can't really see her very well, but I'm going to see if I can get her to... There we go. Now you can see her for what she is. Complete with finials, top and bottom, all fitted out. 31-day movement. Beautiful sound. Ticking well. Yeah, we're coming up to 5 to the hour. So what we've been doing then, basically, is this is the new clock that replaced another one, which is down here. And this thing is a pile of crap. I'm going to pull this out and show you just how crappy this thing is. This is the old one that this replaced. This is going back. This is the old one that got replaced by the new one. It's got a pendulum just the same, but instead of it being attached right now, it's kind of there. So yeah, there goes the big grandfather clock. It's got the key. Everything's complete. It's a rod strike, as you can see there. Sounds pretty shitty, but it's a clock nonetheless. Now, this one's a bit different to that one in a slight definition. Different hands, and it says Highland on its face, but apart from that, it's virtually the same. That one, as you can see, is missing most of these. Most of its finials. This is the old Tessa clock that was. Not a patch on the new one by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just going to put this back because can't get this back one-handed. I got it out, but getting it back in is going to be a challenge. Oh, it's back. It actually went back quicker and easier than I thought, but there you go. She's nestled under there. We'll turn back to this one again. This is a much nicer, better clock. Open the side, look, there she is. Metal pendulum stick as opposed to the wooden stick pendulum that's found on the other one. The key's in the bottom there. There's the key. You can see the rods somewhere. It's reflecting off it because of the flipping thingy. Just to turn that off actually. Can't turn the flash off on this thing. Don't know why. It just won't turn off. We're nearly 11 o'clock. I'm not doing too bad at all. So yeah, this is the new Tessa clock that's been added. Nice clock. Probably 1980s reproduction. We actually don't know, but there's the top with its fancy bit. Looking down it. There's the finials, closer look. You've got a centre one in the middle there, big one. One there, and one up there, which were all taken off when I got her. And she's coming up to 11, so I'm going to just... actually. Yeah, 10 o'clock and she strikes perfect, she runs perfect. She's been running all night. So yeah, there you go. That's the new clock.